Recipe for chicken karahi. In Urdu we add a karahi to chicken because it's made in a wok. It looks quite different to a chicken curry as well because it's more tomatoey and it's drier as well. Also, it has less gravy. You will need 2 tomatoes, coriander for garnishing, 1 green chili pepper, some ginger, a few julienne style cut and 3 separate pieces, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, some zira, a few pieces of chicken and some oil.
किचन सीक्रेट्स के रिवायत मसाले, खानों की रिवायत को मिला जायके का सीक्रेट.
Pour the oil into the wok. Crush together the ginger and the 1 teaspoon of zira. The paste should look like that, and then just put it all in the oil. Stir it around a bit and add the green pepper. Now once you've fried the green peppers, just scoop them out. These will be used for garnishing at the end. Now add the spices, the ginger garlic paste, the red chili powder, add the chicken as well. Also we've added the black pepper and salt. And just fry it a bit. Turn all the pieces of chicken over just to cook them and get the spice on them. Now cover it up for 5 minutes. Keep stirring it around every so often, and once you can see it's slightly soft and white, just add the tomatoes. Stir it around and then cover it again. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Every so often, just stir it around and cover it back up again.
किचन सीक्रेट्स के रिवायत मसाले, खानों की रिवायत को मिला जायके का सीक्रेट.
Cover it back up again. When the water has dissolved and the oil starts appearing on top, and when the chicken is all dry, like so, you can put in all the garnishing, the green chili pepper, and the ginger. Also add some coriander with that, and mix it around. Keep stirring the chicken karahi around. As you can see, the oil is now showing up and the water is slowly disappearing. This is what it should look like when it's done. And now serve it in your dish. And then garnish the remainder of the ginger, the chili and the coriander on top. And there you have it, chicken karahi.